Hello kids, I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. Yes, I know. Now you all have got your new books and notebooks, right? So, study time. Okay? Now, today we'll start studying with the subject English, alright? Now, in English, your first topic is sound of A. Got it? Sound of A. So, in your previous class, you have learned all alphabetic sounds, right? A sounds A. A sounds A. Speak with me, you all. A sounds A. Now, today we will study more words with sound A. Alright? Now, first word M A double L mall. M A double L mall. So you heard the word, you go to the mall? Yes, you all have went to the mall with the help of your parents, with your parents, and there you see what? You purchase toys, your gifts for the parents, for your brother, sister, you purchased from there, and your dresses you wear, purchased from the mall, right? So this is mall. There we go and purchase things like toys, your dresses, eatables, many things, right? So, in these lockdown days, we are missing our mall, but very soon we can again visit it. Alright? Now, next word is very common. You all know it very well. That is ball. Just you know it, ball? Huh? Yes, I know. You know the ball. This one is ball. You like to play? You like to play with the ball? Yes, you play many times and you can play whenever you want to play with the ball. Right? Now, next word is W-A-L-L, wall. Do you know what is wall? Yes, I will explain you what is the wall. In your room, you just see your four sides. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4. In a room, all sides are wall. You can see this is the wall. This picture is on the wall. This one is wall. You can see around you in a room if you are sitting. You can see around you that is wall. Okay? Now here you can see small picture of wall. Our wall look like this. Sometimes you go and see the wall. It looks like this. Or in your room wall, it's painted with different colors like red, yellow, green, blue, purple, any color you like. Got it? So, now these three words with sound of A. Number one, again, I repeat it. M-A-L-L mall, B-A-L-L ball, W-A-L-L wall. And here you see at the end of the word same rhymes coming, same sound coming. A-L-L all, mall, ball, wall. We have used small a to complete the word and sound Same rhyming sound. A double L, A double L, A double L means all. And here you close it. When you put M, that will be mall. When you put here B, capital B, it will be ball. When you put here W, it will be wall. Got it? So remember all three words with sound A and rhyming sound. Alright? Rhyming sound. At the end, sound coming same. Alright? Now, some more words we will read with sound A. With sound A. Yes, speak with me. Sound A. Alright? Here you see some more words. So, next, W, A, Y, way. You know way? What is way? We go on the way. We go on the way. So this is what? Way. Where we go? That is way. Alright? When we go to the market and go to the school and just to meet your friends, your family members, we go. Where we go? On the way. On the way then we reach to the family members and friends home and your school, like that. Okay, so this is the way we used to go to another place. All right, now next word is day. D-A-Y, day. Daytime, you know what is daytime? What do you do in the daytime? Daytime you take lunch. Daytime, you take lunch, right? With your family members and utilize your daytime in studying also. Alright? Know it? So, D-A-Y, day. Day look like very shiny. Daytime, what do you see? The sun? The sun shines very bright. Sun shines very bright. Daytime, how the sun shines? Very bright day. Okay? Now, next, after day, you can see the say. S-A-Y, say. What is say? We say. We say something. When you keep your mouth silent, it look like silent. And say, hello, I have done my work. Please give me water. May I go? This is say. You want to say. Speaking is say. Alright, so spelling of say, S-A-Y, say. Somebody is speaking and saying something. That is say. That is say. We speak. That is say. Alright? So, again, just repeat it with me. Sound of A. Words with sound of A. W-A-Y, way. D-A-Y, day. S-A-Y, say. Alright. Here again you can see the same rhymes coming. We put a hand here. So, first word A-Y, second word A-Y and third word A-Y, 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 A-Y. But we put here, when we write capital W or you may write small w, that will be W-A-Y, way. Here if you write D, so it will become D-A-Y, day. When here you write S, it will become S-A-Y, say. So, how many words you studied? 1, 2, 3, this one and the previous 1, 2, 3. So, it becomes 6, right? 6 words with sound A. Next word with sound A. Alright? So, repeat it many times. Okay? And next, that is C-A-K-E. Cake. You know the word? I know. Yummy. Yes. You all just want to taste and eat. Right? So, see here, cake. You all eat your birthday cakes. Okay? You love to eat cakes. I know everybody wants to eat the cake. Your birthday cake, your mama daddy's birthday cake. Okay? And your brother sister's birthday cake. And your birthday cake. You love to eat birthday cakes? Yes. So, put some cherry here also. C-A-K-E, cake. Now, next word, T-A-K-E, take. T-A-K-E, take. What is take? Please take something. Take it. Put in your bag. Take. Take this thing, any one thing, anything, maybe your ball. Take your ball. Take your box. Take your bag. Take your pencil. Take your pen. Right? Like that. That is take. Takes a thing you just keep with you. That is take from someone else. Okay? Somebody is giving something to you. That is, and you are just getting. That is take. Okay? So here you can see one child is giving to another child a ball just to take. Okay? Here in this picture, this one is giving to this child. One child is giving to another child a ball, that is, this one is taking. T-A-K-E, take. Now, coming to bake. B-A-K-E, bake. How many words? 1, 2, 3. And what is bake? How the cake is made? It is through the processing of baking. You know? You must know it. How the cake is made with the processing of baking. That is called bake. Your biscuits, all these eatables, buns, breads, that are just made through processing of baking. So that is bake. So here you can see the hand of your mother. She has baked for you this delicious cake to eat. Okay. Here you can see your mother has baked this cake for you. Lovely, very yummy, very tasty. You like to eat? Okay, you may just tell your mother to bake a cake for you. You can eat through. Okay. So, next. Here again, same rhyming sound. A-K-E, A-K-E, A-K-E. Here, put up one hand and just see. What is that? Cake. You have to just put C there. C-A-K-E, cake. Here, giving the ball, that is taking. That child is taking ball. T, put a T here, it will be take. Now, next, bake. Your mother baked cake for you. So, put a B here and all becomes B-A-K-E, bake. Got that? Huh? Got all words? Yes. So, once again, C-A-K-E, cake, T-A-K-E, cake, B-A-K-E, bake. Now, some more words with sound A. Some more words with sound A. Alright, but here you can see that ending sound are words rhyming. Ending sound rhyming. Now, here you see P-A-I-L. P-A-I-L. Speak now. What is that? Pail. This is what? Pail. Pail is what? Your bucket. Pail is what? Bucket. Bucket we use just to take bath and just filling the water there. We used to take bath, and that beautiful you can make the bucket with flower and with different colors. We use different color buckets at your homes, and you saw that we fill water there in the bucket and use for drinking somewhere, and we use just taking bath. Basically we take this bucket, just we use to take bath with different colors like red, yellow, green, blue, pink, right? Your parents bring for you your favorite color bucket, like if you like a red color, so they will bring for a red color bucket. If you like to that pink color, so they will bring for you pink color. So here the spelling of this bucket here is pail. What we say? This pail. Another word is bucket. Okay? Pail is another word of bucket, and bucket is the another word of pail. P-A-I-L, pail. It means this picture shows it's bucket. So that is bucket. This is another word with sound A, P-A-I-L, pail. Got it? Next word you can see here, T-A-I-L, tail. Tail, you know, tail of dog, tail of cat. They have a body at the end, at the back they have a tail. I'll just show you here what's that tail. Suppose this is a cat, and the cat is having a tail. And I will show you where is the tail. This one. This one is the tail of the cat. This one is tail. This one is what? This one is the tail of the cat. T-A-I-L. This one is the tail. Tail of the pussycat. You heard about this rhyme? Pussycat, pussycat. So this cat is having a tail. Now, next word is nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. You saw the nail? If you have not seen, I am just making a picture here. You can see here also, and you can ask your mama daddy also about the nail. Look at this circle with one slanting. That is in pin shape. That is nail. Nail we use just to hang anything. We nail. We hang that any calendar there, any poster there for just hanging anything. We use nail. And locking something, just to join something there also we need a nail. Our carpenter, they use nail. Just to make table, they use nail, and just they have hammer there. They just hit there just to make that table or any furniture, and that nail we use to hang something like poster, calendars. Okay. So now spelling of nail, N-A-I-L, nail. Now once again you can just put your hand there and just see A-I-L, A-I-L, A-I-L. All three words is having A-I-L, and the ending sound, rhyming sound, ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale means you put here P, it will be pale. You put here T, it will be tail. You put here N, it will be nail. Got the points? How many words you studied? How many words? With sound A, you studied how many words? 1, 2, 3. and previous 9 words. Okay, previous 9, 10, 11, 12. How many words? 12 words with the sound A. So keep in your mind all sounding word A. Practice at home many times and speak aloud. Speak aloud like what? Speak aloud like W-A-L-L wall, M-A-L-L mall, and you can say more rhyming word. It is not only wall or tall, like maybe tall also, T-A-L-L tall, and you say B-A-L-L ball. Many words with A-L-L. Okay, all same rhyming and word with where we have used A in all words and same rhyme. Next, D-A-Y, day. So it's a day. L-A-Y, lay maybe, or H-A-Y, hay. You can write these words also, same sound, day, lay, hay. Any word, just rhyming sound same, and we use that small letter A, or we have used sound of letter A. Take, T-A-K-E, take, B-A-K-E, bake, C-A-K-E, cake. So here again you can see A and K-E, egg, same sound with letter A. Next word, that is tail. T-A-I-L, tail, P-A-I-L, pale, M-A-I-L, mail. You do the mail. Our parents used to mail someone, so mail. A-I-L, same rhyming and sound of A. These words you studied today. Alright. So practice it many times. You may read there through your books also. Alright. And you can see this video better whatever times you like. Just tell your parents, just open this video of my ma'am. I'll study and they will open for you. Okay. So thank you class.